countries are genderized as well. There's nothing like neuter in French language. It is either it's masculine or feminine. But just because of that question, I had to go make further research. And then I realized that it is not something we can do so much justice to. Anything you can think of in French. You see, that's why when I started this my classroom segment, I said that when you want to think of French or any object, be it a name of a country, when you even think about inanimate objects, whether trees, plants, think of anything, bear in mind that these things you're dealing with are genderized. That's why I said, when I pick up, this is my pen, mon stylo. If I pick up this pen as a French student, the first thing I think of is not what this pen is called in French. It's not whether this pen is called le stylo or not. The first thing I have to think of, what gender do I attribute this pen to? Is this pen feminine or masculine? It is very important. So when I pick up this pen, the first impression or my first excitement isn't if this pen is stylo or not. It is the gender that accompanies this pen. That's why I said, if we are going to learn this language and understand it very well as non-native speakers, you have to bear in mind that whatever you can think in French language is genderized. La porte, door, now feminine. La fenêtre, curtain, now feminine. La chaise, chair, now feminine. Lo stylo, with my writing pen, is now masculine. So countries are not exempted. Countries in French language are also genderized. They bear either the masculine or feminine articles. So we can't help it. Nigeria is now masculine. Okay, so maybe because I just have one feminine country, which is La Côte d'Ivoire. Maybe that's why she pointed it out. So when you come across any country, it is for you to look up for the genders of such countries online. That's by the way. So we've treated the first on the list, Nigeria, our dear country. Oh, my dear country, Nigeria. Yes. The second, Ghana, Accra, Ghana. Akwaba is a non-slang. Or is this? I don't. In Ghana, by the way, Ghana. The third one, Burkina Faso. You see, this Burkina Faso in English is written as F-A-S-O. Yes, I need to let you know that. Burkina Faso in English language is written as F-A, Faso is F-A-S-O, but in French, it is F-A-S-S-O. You need to take note of it. Yes, Burkina Faso, and then this pretty princess here, La Côte d'Ivoire, Francophone country. La Côte d'Ivoire. They speak French a lot in that country. Côte d'Ivoire. And then the last and not the least on our list today is Togo. Togo, that's Togo. All these Francophone countries that they speak French a lot, and it's going to be so hard for you to survive in such countries if you do not have basic knowledge. Basic knowledge, yeah, maybe for surviving at first, but you really need huge knowledge of French language because these are Côte d'Ivoire, Togo. These are Francophone countries. Let me go over it again. Nigeria with an accent on it. This is accent aigu, okay? The arrow goes like this. Ghana